Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you the easiest way to move your data without losing a thing. If we want to transfer data from iPhone to iPad, we actually have two convenient methods to choose from initially here. Go to Settings for Method 1 now. To successfully transfer data, we need to ensure the same Apple ID login is used on both your iPhone and iPad devices equally. Now, click on your Apple ID login, which will take you to your account settings, and from there, we'll proceed to iCloud to access your stored data. Go to iCloud and click on Save to iCloud. This will sync all your data, preparing it to transfer seamlessly to your iPad. Now on your iPad, let's open your Apple account, which is essential for syncing your data seamlessly across devices. Go to iCloud now to sync all your data, ensuring it's accessible and up to date on both devices seamlessly. Now we decide what to sync, such as photos, mail, drive, and messages content together. Now we'll enable Method 1, which seamlessly syncs all your data to the iPad, completing the transfer process quickly and efficiently overall. For Method 2, select data to share via AirDrop from iPhone to iPad. Now we'll select the item, which allows us to share it easily via AirDrop from our iPhone directly to the iPad nearby. We'll now enable AirDrop on both the iPhone and iPad for easy transfer, and we can transfer any data through this convenient method, which streamlines the entire process nicely always. Transferred your iPhone data to iPad with ease. Check the description for a special discount, and don't forget to like and subscribe!